RIP to the OG, Moses Malone. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Force One Art of a Champion 454. Now, like the rest of the Art of a Champion pack, this pair pays homage to a certain championship or a champion and their special moments. This pair pays homage to the 1983 NBA playoffs and Moses Malone's famous proclamation that they were going to win every single game in the series, 4-4-4, or sweeping the teams. Things were going great until the second round when they were going up against the Sidney Moncrief-led Milwaukee Bucks, and they actually lost the game in that series, so they ended up winning 4-5-4. They swept the Lakers in the last round of the NBA Finals. First, let's take a look at the box. The box has the Think 16 graphic on the top, or the 16 hash marks, as well as the Nike swoosh on the side panel, and the color code is white and university red. Also, it's got the Think 16 card that reads 16, the number of playoff wins standing between each player today and their ultimate goal of becoming a champion. Just as every champion that came before them, achieving the game's highest honor requires becoming obsessive over a finite number of wins. This shared instinctual mindset becomes a catalyst for each player's celebrated transformation into a champion, an approach that paves the way for iconic career-defining moments, powerful enough to transcend the game and fuel the evolution of culture. The Champions Think 16 collection honors the collective mentality shared by the game's greatest competitors, the moments synonymous with their greatness, and the pivotal role Nike Inc. played in cementing each champion's proven place in history. So it's got the Think 16 graphic on the front and the Converse, Jordan Brand, and Nike swoosh on the top, as well as the association on the bottom. And again, I still have a problem with the fact that they're calling this collection the Think 16 collection, even though there were only 12 games in the series that they had to win. But again, that's not my place to say. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a white and red leather upper, and the quality on this leather is amazing. I am impressed with the quality on the upper of this shoe. It's a soft leather, and man, this feels good. You have a white toe box with a perforated toe cap. On the tongue, you have the nylon tongue with the 1983 Dubré for the year that the Philadelphia 76ers won the championship. Also, you have the Air Force One logo in white and red. The insoles either have the Think 16 logo on the left shoe or the association in that finals print on the right shoe. Moving towards the heel, you've got the Nike swoosh in university red, and it's also leather, along with the sectioned white panels. Also, you have the gold Larry O'Brien trophy as a hang tag. The heel has the Nike Air logo in red and white, and what they did was this is actually a throwback to the original Nike Air Force One from 1982. And that's a really nice touch because most of the Air Force Ones are the Air Force 107s. It's a nice callback to the past. The medial is the same as the lateral, so you have the red leather Nike swoosh as well as the white overlay panels. You have a white midsole with the university red Air Force One outsole. Overall, I'm very pleased with the quality of this shoe. I'm also happy that they used the 1982 version instead of the 07 version. I think of all the shoes I reviewed in the pack, not counting the Nike Air Maestro, I think this pair might actually be my favorite, simply because they got the original detailing right, and the story also matches in line with actually championship moments, as well as the colorway. Also, the detailing of the shoe makes this a nice throwback to the past, which I can appreciate. Now let's get some detail looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Force 1 Art of a Champion 454 hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 19th for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.